Eating breakfast. Eating breakfast is an important part of my daily routine. After waking up, I go downstairs to the kitchen, where my mom is preparing breakfast. She usually makes something healthy like oatmeal with fruit or scrambled eggs with toast. I love sitting at the table with my family and enjoying our meal together. Eating breakfast helps me start my day with energy, and I feel ready to tackle whatever comes my way. Sometimes, I like to have a bowl of cereal or a smoothie, but my favorite is always pancakes with syrup. After eating, I feel full and satisfied, and I'm ready to start my day. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and it gives me the strength to focus on school and other activities. It's a great way to spend time with my family before we all start our busy days.